Hey guys, it's Anne. Welcome back to the channel. And if I haven't yet wished you all a happy 2022, I'm going to go ahead and do so. I hope all of your dreams and aspirations come through for 2022. I want to thank you all for all of your love and support in 2021. Anyways, guys, moving on to today's video. I'll be sharing a clean and organize of my pantry. Since we moved here, I've pretty much just brought whatever stuff I had from the apartment and things we've picked up over the past few weeks, as well as the Christmas holidays, and sort of like just chucked it in here. So there's no visually looking at it, it doesn't look appealing. Nothing's neat, nothing's tidy. There's no like organizational system, which I want to, do that today in today's video, as well as utilize this cupboard that's just right near the cooktop and pretty much just add things that I'm going to be using more of on a regular basis. And then the pantry, I'll put like extra canned goods and pastas and just extra things that I'll need later on to cook. And I think I want to starting from the top, maybe putting like paper towel and just working my way down gradually to juice box, snacks, extra canned goods like I mentioned, bread, extra noodles and things like that, as well as breakfast meals like jams and peanut butter and things that I normally make for like porridge. And I actually ordered some containers from Amazon, which you can utilize for like cereals and different things like that. So I want to use those containers for that, which I'll share with you for a while. Hopefully they fit into the pantry. I didn't like measure or anything like that, but some of the shelves are bigger than some. As you can see, this one has a lot more space, and then this one is a little bit, smaller in length. And then it's a bit messy. I have a few things that we picked up yesterday or so that I need to organize, cereals and some other canned goods and things like that also needs to be packed away. So I turned the camera this way to just show you what the pantry looks like. What I love is that it's really, really deep, so it goes far back, so you can really stock this up with a lot of things. What I love about this kitchen, guys, is that it has so much storage. There's like so many cupboards, and some of them I actually haven't really put anything in as yet, so.
Young is coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand out, they want us to split the pie, right? Cause they realize that we gone crazy. Yeah, I flipped my pie, really did that 180. Yeah, skirt. I flipped my pie, really did that 180. Young is coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand out, they want us to split the pie, right? Cause they realize that we gone crazy. Yeah, I flipped my pie, really did that 180. Yeah, skirt. I flipped my pie, really did that 180.
Who's that gon' tell me I can't do it?
I can't do.
Better be on time with my bankroll. Talk fat, no ball cat, no lit word. Routine like clockwork, my wrist word.
Let's go like this. I flourish the cook, got no roof on it. I'm taunting, I'm all in the moment. Everything lit, I don't miss. Till someone get John on the line, say the invoice is coming. I'm thumbing through stacks of that cold ball. They egging me on, so I'm going off. I got them mad, I show off. They treating my life like it's no law. I never flex above my means. I spit the cream on my tribe, don't I? Don't bro me, don't know me, you not regime. To the one with the condom, my eye is on it. Yeah. I see you move through the base, they precaution, they snaking, they seeing me. Money tree, wake up the royalties. I got a queen, yeah, she go with me. She making me feel like I'm royalty. This probably cause you royalty. I just got fresh with the golden piece, shrug, show the emoji, okay? You know it's me, diamond soul, dancing, singing like Jodeci. 10 out of 10 every time till they notice me. What you thought I was supposed to be. Ain't nobody close to me. Granted, my hits touch the billboards, and they printing my face on the billboard. They envy my drip, I'm enlightened. You should let go of that hate, but you feel more. I make them rage every time they get flame when they hear what I say, coming straight from the source, yeah. I come a long way from the coast by the shore. My boy, I'm enjoying this. Young is coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand out, they want us to split the pie, right? Cause they realize that we gone crazy. Yeah, I flipped my pie, really did that 180. Yeah. Skip, skip. I flipped my pie, really did that 180.
Who's that gon' tell me I can't do? I can't do. Better be on time with my bankroll. My bankroll. Tall fat, no ball cat, no lit work. Routine like clockwork, my wrist work. Pop out the new thing, going crazy. They be like, look, girl, that's Zavy. Young nigga sauced up, I'm gravy. Suede on the boat shoes, that's wavy. Chief rocker, young drop topper. Got the op stopper, that's Mando. Ain't there, nigga fucking with me, but I see him doing what he can, though. And I came in this with the ruffians. Loaded, I'm buffering, flexing, I'm buff again. Winning, they know that I'm up again. Talk like he bustin', I know he gon' bluff again. Sweatsuit with the suede on it, not a stain on it, just a vaccine. Got a thing for the paper piles and the brown babies with the accent. And they know that it's really up. The coppers, we tear the whole city up. Hit the stage and she holding them up. About to flip me 100, put 50 up. They be popping that for the internet. They want an Oscar, I'm cool on the fakery though. How you be doing the most when you doing the least? They be loafing on bakery mode.
So guys, I have taken everything out of the pantry, and this is pretty much everything so far. This is the container, cereal storage container set that I got from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box. I am going to remove them. It's actually 4 storage containers and they're free of BPH, so really safe. And I'm going to take them out and hopefully they fit into the pantry. Because like I mentioned, I didn't measure, so I'm not really sure. But hopefully they fit. I think I'm going to try and fit maybe cereals, maybe some chips, and just like these little yogurt bars and things like that into it. That way I can get rid of some of the boxes, which frees up more space in the pantry area. And I think that way it'll also visually look more appealing and a lot more organized that way. So over here on this side of the counter, I have a few more things that I also removed from the pantry. So everything will get a nice wipe down, and then I'll organize everything back into the pantry the way I need it to look. So once you open it, it's visually and aesthetically pleasing and everything looks neat and organized. So let's move on to putting everything back. For the most part, my pantry was really clean. It just, like I said, needed to be organized and things just needed to be neatly packed back into it.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Paint by number isn't how I want it to.
So I want to show you guys quickly what the containers look like. They came in this package, and then they also came individually packaged. And the covers also are individually packaged in their own plastic. And sorry guys, that's my grandson, and they fit perfectly on this shelf, so I'm going to, they fit perfectly here, here, as well as there. So I'm going to wash them out and then pack all of the items that I need to store inside of them. They also came with some scoops, as well as some labels, a pen to write the names of the items that you're placing inside of them, and it came with this little card. So yeah. Well guys, I am honestly happy with how my pantry turned out. Even though it's not a walk-in, guys, it still gives so much storage. As you can see, that there is a lot of space left over for me to run out to the grocery store and really stock my pantry with everything that I need. I love how organized, neat, and functional it is now that I've cleaned and decluttered and just organized everything. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Like, share this video with a friend or family. I hope I've given you a little bit of inspiration and motivation to clean and declutter a space in your home for 2022. If you are new to the channel or a new subscriber, or you're watching for the first time, welcome to Glam Designs by Anne. I love all things home decor, and I love to share cleaning, organizing, cooking, decorating, decluttering, haul videos with low and high-end items. I love DIYs. I'll be sharing, like I said, a lot more cooking videos with you guys. So if those are the type of videos that you love watching, please subscribe, double tap your bell. That way you'll never miss out on a next video. I love you for watching. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.